Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lara Wings. I hope you all are doing good. So, have you ever wondered what to do with your expired makeup and skincare products? Yes, expired makeup products can bring several skin infections and diseases onto your face and your body and your skin. But it does not mean you have to toss those expensive beauties into the dustbin. Here are some smart hacks which you can use to reuse your expired makeup and skincare products. So, let's quickly jump into the video. Let's begin with toners. Toners are great to remove any last traces of dirt or impurities stuck on your pores even after washing your face. Toners improves the skin tone and restores the pH level of your skin. So toners are of two types, which contains alcohol and which do not contain alcohol. Toners which do not contain alcohol can be used to clean your makeup palettes, your vanity table, shoes, furniture, etc. Here I am using my expired non-alcoholic toner to clean my makeup palette or my eyeshadow palette. It removes all the dust and impurities from the palette, making it feel fresh and new. Also, the toner which contains alcohol can be used to clean the mirrors, glass tops, or even your mobile screen and spectacles. Here I am using my expired alcoholic toner to clean my mobile screen. The next makeup product is the eyeliner. We all know eyeliner is used to define the eyes. It is applied around the contours of the eyes to create a variety of aesthetic effects. Now, when your eyeliner is expired, it can be used to fix on your shoe patches and also as a marker to outline your artworks. Here I am using my expired eyeliner to fix the patches that have come out from my wooden figurine. Eyeliner are of different colors, so you can use it according to your needs. Also, I'm using it as a marker to outline my artwork. Next comes the moisturizer. We all love moisturizers because it provides the hydration that our skin needs, keeping the dullness and dryness out. So moisturizers are great for providing shine on your face. Similarly, if you have expired moisturizer, you can provide the shine and glossy finish to your wooden figurine or your wooden furniture. Here I'm using it to provide the shine to my wooden figurine, making it feel new and fresh and glossy. Similarly, you can use the moisturizers on your leather bags, shoes, belts, etc. But if you use moisturizers that contain whitening agents, it is most likely to make the bag look white or your belts white and leave the scars onto your bags and belts. So do not use moisturizers that contain whitening agents, or else it makes the bags look patchy. So there are many DIYs which can be used with expired makeup and skincare products. Up next is the mascara. Mascara is usually used to darken and thicken the eyelashes. If you have an expired mascara, you can use it on a hairline to mimic hair growth. Mascara usually comes to 3 to 6 months expiry and it has a lower shelf life. So, you can use it spoolie to tame flyaways and your unruly brows. And if you see a grey hair popping out, your expired mascara is there for rescue. We all love lip balms because it keeps our lips soft and supple. When your lip balm is expired, you can use to clean your cuticles and also protect your feet blisters. You can also use it to fix your stuck zipper, and you can use it on your shoes to make it sparkle. If you have an expired lip balm, you can use it to clean your cuticles just the way I'm doing, and also you can help to protect your feet blisters. If you have an eyeshadow palette, you can create your own customized nail paint. Scrap the eyeshadow and mix the pigments to your nail polish. Mix its pigment with a clear nail polish and flaunt your new customized nail paint. Nail polish can also be used to mend your cars and provide an overcoat. Next comes the most awaited and favorite makeup product, which is lipstick. If you have an expired lipstick, you can use as a crayon for coloring. Also, you can use it as a wax for candles. And in order, if you need a tinted lip balm, take small container, heat the lipstick so that it kills all the bacteria, add coconut oil and store it in the container, and you can use it as a tinted lip balm for few months. There are a lot more makeup and skincare products that comes with its own shelf life. For example, the face washes can be used to clean your makeup brushes, clean surfaces of your washroom, or wash stain on your clothes. And also your body creams, your day cream, night cream, hand cream, everything can be used for shaving purpose. And if you have an expired face oil, you can mix it with sugar and create it as a scrub. So I hope all these hacks and tricks were useful to you, and do let me know your comments after testing it out. And certain skin type are really sensitive, so do a patch test before testing it on your face or putting it on your skin. And I will see you soon in my other video. Until then, take care, bye. And don't miss to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye.